Good morning, folks, and you are joining us this morning in the Premier Inn in Halifax. Now, yesterday we drove the 250 miles or so from Kent to here, and we've come here for a very specific reason.
We're buying a van.
We are buying a van. It's cold in the north. If you are wondering why we've come so far up, it's because we're looking for something very specific, and here in the UK vehicles are so much cheaper up north, aren't they?
They are, and we get a cheeky little night in a hotel.
Ching ching.
Louise.
It's a private sale though, so I'm not going to film at the person's house, so we've got about half an hour. We're going to go and look at it and we will let you know. Well, you'll see it in a minute, or you won't, and this video will never make the light of day. So if you are watching this, then we're going to buy a van in a minute.
For God's sake.
See you in a minute.
3 hours later.
It is several hours later, and by the absence of Emily and the different seats, we have purchased the van. I am now doing the very nervy drive. Buying a second-hand vehicle is always a risk and always a gamble and always nervy, so I'm doing the very nervy drive back home. But it should be a good test run. We've got a couple of 100 miles to go, 5-6 hour run, so yeah, hopefully we'll make it. And if we do, I'll show you around properly and show you what we've bought and why we've bought what we've bought. That's of course if we get home before dark, because, you know, traffic.
2,000 years later.
So this is it then. This is what we've been all the way to Manchester, well, above Manchester, to purchase. Now, Emily's snack cupboard has not got so full that we've had to buy an overflow snack van, not just yet anyway, nor is it Emily's mobile office, nor is it my 4x4 clearly adventure van. In fact, this van is not for us at all. However, you are going to see it in many videos to come parked up next to Fanny, because this is for my mother.
So exciting, but it's freezing out here, so can we do this inside?
Yes, let's show you inside and tell you a little bit about what this van is.
Oh, it's so cute.
She is a cutie, isn't she?
Yeah. Oh, comfy, cosy.
Ideally sized for you, right?
Oh, it is. I just love it. It's just in a nice size. I'm gonna have it.
I don't think my mum will be too happy with that.
You have to share. You have to share.
This is a 2013 Nissan NV200 car-derived van, so it's a micro camper basically. And for my mother, who is a later stage in life, shall we say, who doesn't want to drive a big van, a single person, this is going to be absolutely perfect for her, isn't it?
Oh yeah, and she says later in life, I'd so have this van. It's so easy to drive and it's got loads of cool little features and stuff. It has an awesome fridge.
What's the awesome fridge?
What do you mean, what's the awesome fridge?
It's got a 12-volt compressor Victra Frigo fridge, which is ideal for off-grid, which we'll talk about in a bit.
I thought you meant it's got a little freezer compartment, it's got an ice cube tray.
It's a great fridge.
That is a good fridge, right?
Yeah, what else has it got?
So it's got a 2-ring burner, that's correct,
Yep,
right?
gas burner.
Gas burner. We have a little sink in here with, oh, I love how it just pops up and down.
With a tap, so that's always a winner.
Oh, let me just show you how it works. You turn on your water pump here.
Yep, very good.
That is good, right?
I think everyone's seen a tap before though, babe.
Right, well, we don't have it like this in ours. And then when you put the things down, the lids down, you've got surface space. Then you've got like a cool detachable table. That's for eating snacks and playing cards.
Absolutely, the snack table.
You've got, you have to have a snack table. You've got a pop top here.
Which we will not be putting up today, because I don't know if you can tell by the drone footage, it is extremely windy, so we're not going to break it on having it less than 12 hours.
I don't think Joni would appreciate that, do you?
She wouldn't know. To be fair, you probably don't need the pop top.
Right, shut up. I actually do for once. Little extra storage space up here. Then you've got like cupboards in here. You've got more cupboards down here. Cupboards. There's quite a bit of storage, I say. I think it's deceiving. I didn't think, when we was talking about it, I'm not a visualising type of person, I'm quite bad at visualising stuff, but when we was talking about this type of size, I was like, how are you going to get it all in? Even though you were showing me pictures and stuff of micro campers, I was like, spacey. It's
There is-
deceiving.
there is a surprising amount of room in here. It helps that there's a swivel seat at the front, so when you turn that round, it proper opens up the space. And then this bed that we're sat on now, this is the main reason my mum chose this one, because it's got these, it's not your typical rock and roll bed, so it's not the hard leather, it's got proper foamy, comfy seats, and the front seats have been reupholstered to match. So it is a really tidy van. The van itself, like I said, it's 10 years old. 53,000 miles, so not too bad. The van's in really good nick. Drives nice. Once you get it on the motorway, just cruises along at 70, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's just nice and comfy, and it's little and cute.
It is little and cute. The conversion itself, the cupboards and everything is all done really well. Looks really nice. There's a couple of changes, so the technical people on this channel might be excited because I'm going to do a few modifications. It needs the electrics updating a little bit, especially if she's going to be coming off grid with us. I'll have a look at the gas. And yeah, we're going to do a few bits and pieces. It needs solar on the roof. There's no solar whatsoever. It's got some sort of B2B, but I need to give it a thorough investigation. But as you can imagine, we are quite tired at the minute from the extremely long few days we've had driving up to get it.
Yes, but still excited.
Yeah, very, very excited. So if you like van modifications, then this one's going to be getting a makeover. Fanny is going to be getting a 19th glow up that she's had so far. So I'm going to.
How many times do we want to do that?
I'm going to be doing a few things to Fanny. Mostly stuff. I'm going to be spending a lot of time on roofs, I think, for the next couple of weeks sorting these things out.
You are indeed, yes.
Yeah, and I think that's about it. We'll give you a proper tour because I think this, before I can do any of the modifications, I think we need to take this out for a proper test run and see how we get on in a micro camper.
Yeah, and then I think I should just go off by myself for a little bit in it.
My mum won't let you drive it after today, that's it.
No, that's it, yeah. I'm not allowed it.
You're done. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Like I say, there is some van related stealth camping-y, technical buildy content to come. So not what we had planned, but we are going to be doing that. So it's very exciting, isn't it?
It is, yeah, something different. And it doesn't matter that it's not what we planned because, you know, you just roll with it.
Yeah, you've got to roll with it. And on that note, if you liked it, subscribe, do the what's it, thing the bell, wang the tacker, and then and I'm tired, it's been a long few days, and we'll see you lot all on the next one in what van? We don't know what van.
Who knows?
Who knows?
We could even have like a horse and carriage.
Bye.
Like I was just getting excited.
You are excited, aren't you?
I am,
Why are
yeah.
you excited?
Because it's just so darn cute, and I don't know, I just think it's really nice that she can come along with us as well.
Yes, it's going to be nice for my mum to have some adventures, isn't it?
It is, yeah. I'm excited, I'm
Yeah.
excited.
And should we go and have some dinner?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
What have we got? Pot noodle?